Hello friend, welcome back. We have added another feature in Check My Links, Recheck HTTP status code again. So what happens, like when this Check My Links check the status for all the links on your web page, it finds immediately, like very quickly, for all links. And what happens, like the status code which it received, sometimes some links doesn't return the correct status code because those links, due to security check, consider as it is a bot. So some of the time it used to return like 408 or invalid link status, not the correct status. So for that reason, we have introduced for all those links which will return the status as in like broken link, or you can say invalid link. For that, you will get the recheck HTTP status code button on the view detail report of Check My Links. Let me show you how you can do this and how it will help you to identify exactly those links which are actually invalid or broken. So here, for an example, we are on SelectorsHub website, let's say. So if I click on this Check My Links logo, so here we found the 0 invalid links. Fine, let me close this. Let us go some other website and try it here. Okay, there are few of the links here. So there are 4 invalid links. Now here, if you will click on view, so it will show the report like this, and now these are the links here. Okay, so here you can see that if you, like, let's say by default with that, when we open with the LinkedIn, there we check my link through Check My Links, we got this return status code. Now if we click here, what it will do, basically it will open the new window, and there it will open this link as in like human has opened this link. So in that case, it will not be considered as bot, and it will get return the actual status, and that it will update here. Let me show you how. So click here. If it will be 429, it will remain the same. If you see that page is still not working, so that means they are actually broken link. You need not to close that window, it will automatically get closed. So all these links are still returning the same code. Now let us go to some other page and try it here. So it depends, like in some pages it will actually, those links will be actually invalid or broken link. In some pages you might get some actually broken links. Okay, so here also it is showing 0. Now let me just go to some other website, for an example Myntra. Click here. So here we got lots of links. Definitely these links are not broken link, but it has returned like 403 status code because it has considered it as a bot. Now let's click view. Here you can see that. Now let us open this link. Of course Myntra.com is not unlike a broken invalid link. So click on this. So you see that it got updated. Now whichever like you want to see, you just click on recheck the status, and it is getting the actual status code. Similarly, like if you go for some other website also, I will show you a few more examples. So basically now you have that button there which will actually check for your status code. By default we don't check, like on when you can say that why don't we, like when you click here, right, that time only itself it can check for that. What will happen if it will do that time, it will open lots of pop-up, and then you will get irritated that why it is doing like that. And most of the time we used to get this invalid link information here itself, the status code correct only, like you have seen in case of LinkedIn, those all were broken only. But some cases where you feel that link is working, but why it is giving, so there we have this now, that button view status, like recheck HTTP status code. If you feel that this is actually working, but why it is giving 404, so there you can check. So you can see that this is still giving 404 because that considered like different things. So there you can have this button now. So basically this is an extra facility for you that you get this. If you check any other link, any other extensions out there, they don't provide this, and whatever they get it here, they just show that, and that's where like you get the wrong information. So it will help you guys. Also we have added this copy URL button here. So if any of the link you want to copy, you can just simply copy, click on copy URL, and it will get copy. And if you want to see any of these links, click on this view, and it will open like this here. Also you can see that whichever is highlighted in red color, like here if we open view all, so you will see that whichever is getting like 200 or 300 status code, which is correct, so that it will highlight in green view icon, and if anything is in like invalid or broken link status having, that will highlight in red color. If you check with this, if it get green, if it get the correct status code like valid link, then it automatically convert into the green one. So these are some of the great updates which we have added in Check My Links. I'm sure like this new feature like recheck the HTTP status code for any of the link will definitely going to help you guys a lot. Let me show you once again how you are going to check. Like if you have opened any website, what you have to do, click on this HTTP status, Check My Links logo, and if you see any invalid links, you just click on this view and here it will open. If you want to recheck, you can recheck the status code. So this is how you will get the correct status code, and you are not going to ever miss anything. You will be getting the actual report. Like if you feel like why it has given this, why it is giving me invalid, just because your website has a proper check and everything, that if anything, any bot is running anything, fetching all the links and they are checking the status. So in that case, you have this option which will actually pretend like a human is checking for that status code. So that's where you will get the correct status code from here. Definitely most of the time it will give right from the logo itself, but yes, sometime if you want to recheck, now you have that option as well. I hope you like this feature. If you have liked this feature, please give a thumbs up to this tutorial video, and also give a good feedback about the Check My Links on Chrome store or any of the browser store which you are using. Already many people are using this particular tool, so I will request, please do share Check My Links in your network, and definitely it is going to help you guys a lot. And if you have any feature requests, do let us know. We are more than happy to add that feature in Check My Links. And yeah, we will keep adding more and more feature. You can check out SelectorsHub website for more such free tools which will help you to improve your productivity while doing the software testing. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.